In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Many of us spend long hours in front of screens, and having the option to switch between light and dark modes can make a big difference in terms of eye comfort and personal preference. So whether you're looking for a more soothing dark theme for late-night work or prefer the bright look of the classic appearance during the day, I'll guide you through the steps to customize your view in Microsoft Teams effortlessly. First, let's start by opening the settings. If you're in Microsoft Teams, glance towards the top right corner of your window. You should see your profile picture there. For those using older versions of Teams, this might appear as 3 dots or an ellipse. Just click there. This action will reveal a drop-down menu, offering various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Once clicked, this will open up a new window or pane filled with more options related to how your Teams application is set up. Following that, the next step is to locate the tab that says Appearance and Accessibility. In some versions of Teams, it might be labeled simply as General or Appearance. These labels might differ slightly depending on the version you're using, but they serve the same purpose. After accessing the appropriate tab, you should see a section labeled Theme. This is where the magic happens regarding your visual experience in Teams. Here, you have 3 options to choose from, which cater to different preferences and needs. If you're interested in turning on dark mode, select the Dark theme. This option adjusts your view to feature darker colors, which can be less straining on the eyes in low light conditions, and is often preferred by those who work late at night. Conversely, if you prefer the standard layout or wish to turn off dark mode, select the Light theme. This is the default setting that provides a brighter interface. Lastly, there's the System Default option. This choice tells Teams to mirror the theme setting of your operating system, whether that be Windows or Mac OS. So if your operating system is set to dark mode, Teams will automatically adjust to match it. This can be particularly useful if you like to keep consistency across your apps. Now that you know how to toggle between these options, you can easily customize your Teams experience to suit your needs. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your workspace is as comfortable and personalized as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your efficiency with Microsoft Teams. Enjoy your newly customized Teams interface.